Dang, and we just have a paper crane streak today.
I want to go to paradise for my next vacation. Wonder how long the flight is.
Dang.
Partially chill.
Dang. Dang.
Let's
And now
play.
Piper
It'll
wants
be
to
fun.
play a game.
Here's your first Islander fact. Wee-Wing and Lana have the same birthday.
False.
The correct answer is false. Next up, your second Islander fact. Leon and Finny have the same personality type. The correct answer is true. And finally, the last Islander fact. Bobby and Vasta both have punching bags. The correct answer is true.
It's their initiation into Dibbickhood when I give each of them punching bags.
You did it.
Dang.
Sometimes it's so clear that I'm a genius it almost hurts.
That's why I gave you the science lab background. Gave you the green juice. Human centipede made cooked earlier. Dang, and all of a sudden a lot of people want to play games.
Wanna play? Pretty please.
Dang.
Oh well, better luck next time.
He definitely looks like a furry. That outfit ironically makes him look like he's wearing nothing.
It sounds silly, but my life changed after I met my best friend.
Even though you're in the red zone, but whatever. And at least he gets along with his wife. And now Scottish doctor wants to play a game.
Come on. Here's your first Pixel Islander. Who do you think? The correct answer is Leon. Next up, your second Pixel Islander. Who do you think this is? The correct answer is David. And finally, the last Pixel Islander. Who do you think this is?
Ruby.
You did it. Congratulations.
Dang, a key to the city, a key to the Dybic verse. Dang. Even doctors need to have moments of play and no work, and should be allowed to express themselves
I
freely.
think my job as the friend is to stop my buddies from being dumb.